Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on BABA on March the 4th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at pre-market hours at $131.15. And at this very point, my main assumption was that we have basically two possibilities. First of all, we have to see movement to the downside from this particular point, or we might hit a little bit higher target. We shouldn't break this range of resistance that I drew by connecting top of the first wave, top of the third wave, and project it to its highest point right here. And we shouldn't break it, and we might see another leg to the downside. So guys, let's take a look at it at its actual price action. We were at this point somewhere at 133 or $34, it doesn't matter. We had an attempt, we basically hit, as you can see, this tiny red line is nothing else. Let me show you a little bit more. We hit 0.236 fib retracement level and had another move to the upside that hit again, guys. Take a look right here. It hit exactly this range of resistance that I drew previously, and we have a first reaction. And for now, guys, this asset is down by about 2.33% on pre-market trading, and my main assumption is still the same. We have to see lower price action, and where we might land, guys, I will show you in just a couple of minutes. And this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, guys, for now I added the gold tier for limited 10 vacant places, and the only difference in between these two tiers is this one. Discord access member will have all the data for the potential trades, for the potential tickers that you should be aware of, but the gold tier members will have the exact setups with the stop loss and take profit orders. They will have the exact notifications when and how they should trade certain asset. On top of that, for each and every member, I will do a weekly 30 minutes Zoom calls in order to answer their question and in order to teach them how to properly use technical analysis and how to be successful trader. That is why, guys, for some of you, this might be a game changer opportunity. And if you want to drastically enhance your trading skills, feel free to invest in yourself. And guys, this is the most recent actions in my Discord group. Take a look right here. First of all, I want to show you that it is only 7 vacant places for the gold tier remains right now. And right here you can see that the most recent actions in my Discord group is following. One of my Discord member upgraded his membership to gold tier, and here's his update. Hello Andrew, I upgraded gold to gold because I have learned so much in just 3 weeks, and it is absolutely worth it. I really enhance my skills, and it's a pleasure to have you as my mentor who checks my setups, my counts, and gives much input. And I responded to him, thank you very much, it is only the beginning. I have many ideas about how my gold members can benefit even more. And guys, I made a lot of updates for my Patreons. I made crucial reminders about the events that might drastically impact the price. I made, let me show you, I made quite a few videos on demand on different ticker symbols that I don't publish publicly on YouTube. You can see it is a coin zone, PL, Palantir, MSTR, Tesla, Bitcoin, Teledoc, Porsche, PayPal, Amazon, and others. On top of that, guys, I publish a lot of tutorials with the exact real-time examples how you should or should not trade certain setups. And on top of that, guys, take a look right here. I made even recaps on my tutorials. Here is the result of the actual price action of the setup that I marked previously. And definitely, if you want to enhance your trading skills, guys, you should be a member of this Patreon group, because guys, for now I have only 4 members, 4 active members, and 3 of them are the gold tier members. That is why, guys, when this tier is full, I will close it, I think, forever, and you will be able only to enter my Discord access, which is also extremely supportive for the traders, because I pretty much show all the details about the conditions of the market and the certain conditions on the asset. The only difference is that these people don't have one-on-one 30-minute Zoom call with me, and they don't have the precise setups that pretty much I take.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and on a bigger picture, we still have this formation as an expanding diagonal, and I have two options, bear count and bull count, and both of these counts have a first movement that should be completely similar, and I will explain you my thoughts in just several minutes. But for now, let's take a look at its fundamental news. What was the reason of this quite substantial spike of the price from about $126 all the way up to $146 by 15.73% within just a couple of sessions? And guys, let me show you why did it happen. So here you can see that if we type in Google search bar Baba stock and switch to news tab folder, we have a lot of most recent news, and some of them show us what was the reason of its spike in price. For example, on CNN.com you can find this one. Chinese tech giant Alibaba unveiled its latest artificial intelligence reasoning model on Thursday, boasting that its capabilities beat those of rival models from OpenAI and startup DeepSeek. So they released their DeepSeek rival and OpenAI, basically ChatGPT rival, and that is why, guys, their shares jumped by more than 7% within just one session. And for now, I have to admit that we have this, from the technical standpoint, we still have pretty much the same setup, and we cannot rely any more movements to the upside, because we have a lot of technical signs that should lead us to the conclusion potentially we have to see lower price action. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what technical signs do we see? First of all, the main count is right here. We still have 5 waves to the upside, and these 5 waves might be on the one hand the beginning of new uptrend, because somewhere here we might have the swing low of its price action, the lowest point that basically happened right after this massive sell-off and first bounce to the upside. But on the other hand, guys, the same 5 waves might be nothing else but the C wave in A, B, C correction, and in this case, guys, we have to see lower price action, much lower price actions. But I don't want to rely on this count at least for now, because we have to break certain levels in order to confirm or disprove this theory. Let's take a look at some indicators. So, and as you can see right here, we are on a daily time frame exactly in the border of oversold and neutral territory according to RSI. And if I switch to 4 hours time frame, guys, take a look right here. We have lower highs on RSI. Let me mark it for you, with the higher highs on the price action. As you can see, the same points are higher each and every time. And this means this is the bearish divergence, and potentially we have to see the cool down of this entire structure. On top of that, guys, this from this top, if it is the top of the 5th wave, let me again show you this in details. We might have A, B, C into the A wave on a bigger scale. This might be just a B wave, and we have to see another leg to the downside to complete the C wave. It doesn't mean that we cannot have another ABC extension in these waves, but let's do one step at a time. And the closest steps, in my opinion, should be the breakout below $126.85. Let me delete one arrow, and let me show you that potentially we have to see movement. Wait a second, we have to see a movement to the downside, and the next level of support First of all, the confirmation point is the breakout below $126.7, and the next level of support might be at 0.32 at $115.75. Somewhere here we might see the trend, at least short-term trend reversal. On top of that, guys, the top of our previous wave is also at $118, and $119.9 is the point of control from the previous price action. It was also the level of support and resistance. This means, guys, the next potential level where this asset might land might be somewhere in between these in between 100 and wait a second, yes, 115.75 all the way up to $120. And from this point that will potentially happen within next several days, I will do another update to show you its updated price action. At the same time, guys, if it is a bull count, if it is not ABC correction and it is not 5 waves in our C wave, somewhere here we might even have a local, not local, but general trend reversal, and we might have the breakout above its previous swing high at $177. But again, I have to see more confirmation for this to confirm it with more certainty. But for now, the closest price action that I'm waiting for is this movement to the downside. That is why, guys, if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.